All right, we are live.
Mochi,
Down,
get down.
down. We are gonna have to tie her up, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Come here.
She likes being on.
Come here. Hey.
We let her roam a little too freely sometimes.
Yeah. All right, here we are. We are at the park here, opening up a new set. This is going to be the Black Bolt ETB. I am very excited to open this up with her because of the full arts that are in this set. There's a lot of them.
Oh yeah, we're hoping to get the full black card.
That Zekrom is fire.
That would be the craziest luck if we did get it. First ETB of it.
There are apparently some cards that are in both sets, and some cards that are only in either set. So
ooh,
I'm not exactly sure which
ones.
Yeah, but
let's see if we can
we'll
pull
see.
some.
We'll see if we can pull anything. Honestly, at this point, you want to do the honors and try to open it because it's freshly sealed.
No.
No.
My nails are not strong enough.
All right, we'll see if I can get this. I'm gonna have to just like rip it open.
Yeah, we should have brought the
box cutter.
The box cutter, yeah.
For real. What am I doing? Come on. There we go. Bam! The seal's coming off. Go ahead and turn it this way.
Yeah.
Alright. Slide it out. Bam!
Let's give them a show of everything that comes inside.
This is the booklet, the player's guide. Oh, yes, sorry. We have the promo card. I guess it's a Thunderous. And then we have some packs, of course. You know, it's the usual stuff that comes in an ETB. We have the coins, the damage counters, some dice, and those sleeves as well. So, hyped to see the sleeves in person. And then this is the player's guide here. This is going to show all of our, I guess, card list or hits, right? So from the commons, but you know, we don't really care about the commons as much as we do the full arts. I mean, who doesn't, right? Like there's gonna be so many here. And this is just the first page that I started going off of here. I mean, I can't even see, but I can tell there's just full arts after full arts after full arts. I'm sure that's the end of it, yeah. But I'm sure there's a lot there. Very hyped. So let's go ahead and just rock it. I think there's a different texture on this. The bottom part of the box. Bam. Nice. I guess we should take the dividers out. Bam. Team Rocket got binoculars. It has a different feel to it, right? Am I tripping?
I'm not too sure.
These are the. So these are different energy cards usually. They have like, you know, energy different packs. Pattern, yeah, but these are kind of like that vertical mesh, yeah, like checkerboard, rectangle. Looks cool. Not gonna lie, it's different. So we'll take that, I guess. And then we have that that promo, that Thunderous. That's really fire. And then these dividers look really cool as well. I'm not gonna lie.
And we did need more dividers, so.
Yeah, the dividers really help. That's really nice. I like the hollow on it. And then the sleeves.
Oh, yeah.
The sleeves, I will tell you right now, let's go ahead and open it. See if they're cloudy or not, because that's always a big thing, right? They are not. They are clear. Clear sleeves on these ones, just like those prismatics. I guess it's kind of been mismatched on which ones they offer, the cloudy ones or the clear ones. And then of course we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Black Bolt packs. Bam, get the spread going. There we go. That's fire. Black Bolt packs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Take 4.
And then we'll put one here for the tiebreaker.
Okay.
Yeah, 4. I feel like, you know.
Yeah.
If like I get all the hits and you get nothing, you know, or vice versa, right? That would be something to go ahead and keep as a remainder. Yeah, we'll put that to the side just as like a just in case. Right. You want to go first?
Let me shuffle mine up a little bit.
So excited.
Don't know why it matters, but
Shuffle it up. I mean, there's no. These are all the same artworks.
Yeah.
So
no,
there's nothing
of
crazy
course.
different about them. I mean, they already had enough trouble, you know, getting their sets different this time. There's 2 sets on this release. It's technically 2. Death and Rivals was nice, and they had different packs, back artworks.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I want to see this.
Well, you gotta open it with me, right? Aren't we doing a battle?
Oh, okay, yeah,
Are
okay.
we,
I'm
or
sorry.
no?
I thought we were going.
1 and 1. We can.
No, that's fine. That's fine. I don't know what I was thinking. Damn. Okay.
Okay.
So code card.
Oh.
Go ahead and show that.
Code card.
Nice. All right. I'm pretty sure it's just 1 to the front because it's Scarlet and Violet.
Yeah.
So, what energy are you thinking?
Electric.
Fighting. Ooh, okay. I got dark.
Ooh, psychic.
Psychic. I like the
Okay.
pattern on these
Yes.
energies. All right, here we go. We're gonna start pulling. Chao. Machino. Clang.
Oh, look at it. Kind of.
Solacis.
Whirlipede.
Venipede.
Fungus.
Electros.
Electric.
Nice.
Ooh,
This is
2
pretty.
electrics.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy, right? That was back to back.
Ooh, look how cute.
Oh wow.
Marshmallow.
Bisharp.
Pokegear.
I'm at my first reverse.
Cubchoo.
Oh, nice. We have the option for Pokeballs as well and Master Balls in this set still.
Okay,
Ooh,
Larvesta.
first full art, we got Electros full
Oh,
art.
nice. Oh my god. Okay, so you're already winning.
Well, that's 1 pack down.
And then clink clank. All right.
I just realized I wasn't in frame. That's fine. Nice. Save it up. Slave it up, man. Go ahead and put that like here, I guess. Nice. Second pack going down. Let's get it. Full in the first pack. I mean, the hit rate is supposed to be a lot better in this set. So.
Mine opened all done.
Oh.
Like, look at that. I'm like, okay.
Oh, that's weird.
All right.
Code card. I am thinking electric.
I am gonna say fighting.
All right. Okay.
Oh, wrong.
They are both hollows, though. That's really nice.
Pretty.
Okay.
I like
Let's
it.
go. Fracture. Whirlipede.
Honored.
Dynamo.
Pansage. That's a
Dribbler.
cute one. I like that.
Yeah.
Ooh, Panpour.
Nice.
Electros.
Nice. Throw.
Behem.
I have a Pokeball. That's nice. That's sleeve worthy right there for sure.
I'm trying to catch up to you.
Oh, sorry.
Tranquil.
Nice. Second reverse here. Okay. And. Oh. Okay. Well, I mean, I did get one. I mean,
Not
I guess it's considered a pull, I guess, to have those.
Yeah.
Do we sleeve the energy card?
Yeah.
All right, here. We'll sleeve the energy.
Yeah, because we have the collection of the energies from each thing. So
True.
mine.
Third pack. Going in. Black Bolt. I mean, the full arts are supposed to go crazy in this set, so we should have some good pulls. Code card. You got yours?
Yeah.
Nice. All right. I am gonna guess.
Hold on. Code card.
I'm gonna guess fire.
I'm gonna guess electric.
Steel. You got electric. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Nice.
Hopefully that means some good luck.
Yes. All right.
Covered
You know.
fossil. Oh, it's
Moblin.
cute.
Snivy.
Birder.
Muna.
Servant.
Mana. Tortuga.
Cryogonal. Pokegear 3.0.
Okay, nice. Pheasant.
Semi-tour.
First reverse here. Ooh, nice Pokeball. Nice.
Drummer. Let me put this down.
Another reverse. I gotta get that.
Alright, ooh, Masharna.
And a EX. Ooh, nice. Double EX pull. Moletta and a Genesect. Let's go.
Yeah.
That is fire. Okay, we
Yeah.
sleeve that for sure. I don't know why I have the sleeves over here. I should just like keep them over here.
Yeah.
What am I doing?
I put the 2 right there.
Okay, perfect. I mean, hey, we're sleeving, right? We're sleeving. That's better than not sleeving cards, so we'll take it. That means, you know, the pull rates are what they are. They're not prismatic. I'll tell you that much. They are not prismatic. All right.
We wouldn't have anything if these were prismatic.
Yeah, exactly. Last pack. Well, we have one more between the two of us, but this is our last pack to open on our own. All right. Getting a little better at opening it, you know. We got that code card. Bam. Okay. I'm gonna guess water.
I'm gonna guess second.
Oof.
I was gonna say fighting again, but then I didn't want to be like wrong.
Very
I was
fine.
wrong anyway.
All right, let's start pulling. Clink.
Herder,
Gullet.
Larvesta,
Time pole.
Sandile,
Fungus.
Eglin,
Fennel. Okay, she's
Sneeze.
like diabolical. What's going on? She's plotting. Among
Oler.
Us. Among Us. That's funny.
Energy Coin,
Cinchio. First reverse here. Scolipede and a Whirlipede. That's funny.
Whirlipede, nice.
No way.
A Dwebble and a Driller.
That's kind of uncanny. That's kind of uncanny. What?
That it's all the same.
Yeah, that's kind of the same format, like types. That's kind of
same vibe.
Okay, well, I
I've-
technically pulled the only full art.
Yeah.
So this last one is for you.
For me,
Yes.
wouldn't you be the winner? Or
No,
Oh, is it
it's
to try to get me?
Yes,
to match?
exactly. Gotta
'Cause
give you
I'm
the
a
benefit of the doubt.
loser.
I mean,
Damn.
you know. Oh, we just had something fall off. Let me go get that.
Go catch the trash.
Yeah.
Don't want to be a litter bug. Okay.
All right, nice. We have the last pack magic going on here.
Code card.
Last pack magic. Gotta have something in here, right?
What
The
do you want to
Zekrom's in here.
guess energy wise?
Give me psychic. Give me psychic.
I'm gonna say electric.
Water.
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 Yeah, we are trash at guessing today.
XU. Yeah. I mean, we only hit once with that.
Cubchoo.
Mm-hmm. Snivy. Pidove.
Yo, Kiwi.
Unpheasant. Prism Energy. Nice. Darmanitan. Ooh, Pokeball Pansage. Nice.
These pulls are great.
Yeah, I like the Pokeballs. Not gonna lie, they look pretty good.
Ooh, there's Smaragdus art is cute.
And a Victini.
Ooh, I say we sleeve that
Low
one
key,
too.
not gonna lie. So there is the possibility of pulling the red Victini card. There is a secret red Victini card. That is a very, very sought after pull for me. I really want that.
We should have gotten some individual packs too, now that I'm thinking about it.
That's all right. I mean,
we can always go back next
exactly. Week. Plus, there's White Flare next week. Remember,
true.
There's 2 sets here. All right.
We got cars on cars on cars.
Yeah. Well, let's go through the pulls, I guess.
Go through the pulls.
So, I guess if you count this as a pull, right? So we have our Electros full art. That's pretty much like the one full art that we pulled on the first pack. You have the Thundurus. That's the promo, obviously, that comes in it. And I mean, it is fire. It's still a full art. So, and then just firing off some of these reverse hollow energies, Pokeballs. You know, more Pokeballs. This reverse or this hollow Victini, just because it's Victini. And I do like the horizontal, like, I don't know if you can see that, the lines are going off it. Got some EXs as well to round it out. Not too bad. I mean, to be honest, I was expecting a little more full art action, but
beggars can't be choosers, right? I mean, that's the whole premise about ripping the packs. You never know. You literally never know.
Well, if you guys enjoyed that, please like and subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.